Basics of computer networking. Computer networking is the practice of connecting computers together to enable communication and data exchange between them. In general, computer network is a collection of two or more computers. It helps user to communicate more easily. In this article, we are going to discuss the basic which everyone must know before going deep into computer networking. How does a computer network works? Basics building blocks of a computer network are nodes and links. A network node can be illustrated as equipment for data communication like a modem, router, etc., or equipment of a data terminal like connecting two computers or more. Link in computer networks can be defined as wires or cables or free space of wireless networks. The working of computer networks can be simply defined as rules or protocols which help in sending and receiving data via the links which allow computer networks to communicate. Each device has an IP address that helps in identifying a device. Basic terminology of computer networks. Network. A network is a collection of computers and devices that are connected together to enable communication and data exchange. Nodes. Nodes are devices that are connected to a network that can include computers, servers, printers, routers, switches, and other devices. Protocol. A protocol is a set of rules and standards that govern how data is transmitted over a network. Example of protocols include TCP/IP, HTTP, and FTP. Topology. Network topology refers to the physical and logical arrangements of nodes on a network. The common network topologies include bus, star, ring, mesh, and tree. Service provider network. These types of network give permission to take network capacity and functionality on lease from the provider. Service provider networks include wireless communication, data carriers, etc. IP address. An IP address is a unique numerical identifier that is assigned to every device on a network. IP addresses are used to identify devices and enable communication between them. DNS, the domain name system, is a protocol that is used to translate human readable domain names such as www.google.com into IP address that computers can understand. Firewall. A firewall is a security device that is used to monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic. Firewalls are used to protect networks from unauthorized access and other security threats. Types of enterprise computer networks. LAN, local area network, is a network that covers a small area such as an office or a home. LANs are typically used to connect computers and other devices within a building or campus. WAN, a wide area network, is a network that covers a large geographic area such as city, country, or even the entire world. WANs are used to connect LANs together and are typically used for long distance communication. Cloud networks. Cloud networks can be visualized with a wide area network WAN, as they can be hosted on public or private cloud service providers. And cloud networks are well available if there is a demand. Cloud networks consist of virtual routers, firewall, etc. These are just a few basic concepts of computer networking. Networking is a vast and complex field, and there are many more concepts and technologies involved in building and maintaining networks. Now we are going to discuss some more concept on computer networking. Open system, a system that is connected to the network and is ready for communication. Closed system, a system that is not connected to the network and can't be communicated with. Types of computer architecture. Computer network falls under these broad categories. Client server architecture. Client server architecture is a type of computer network architecture in which nodes can be server or clients. Here, the server node can manage the client node behavior. Peer-to-peer architecture. In P2P, peer-to-peer architecture or point-to-point architecture, There is not any concept of a central server. Each device is free for working as either client or server. Network devices, an interconnection of multiple devices, also known as hosts that are connected using multiple paths for purpose of sending, receiving data or media. Computer networks can also include multiple devices, mediums which help in the communication between two different devices. These are known as network devices and include things such as routers, switches, hubs, and bridges. Network topology. The network topology is a layout and arrangement of the network devices in a network. Common example including bus, star, mesh, ring, and daisy chain.